events on the school calendar because it is an occasion where we recognize and acknowledge the performance of the students in scholastic, co-scholastic and sports arena. It is a moment which not only reflects on the past performance of achievers but also motivates each and every student to work hard towards becoming an achiever himself.
To take you through the valedictory ceremony, we invite Raghav and Maisha on the stage.
Good afternoon everyone. To begin with the valedictory ceremony, I request the guest of honor, Chairman Sir, to kindly give away the awards. And we have the head boy Bhavya Das and the head girl Priya Karla escorting Sir to the stage. In the senior category, we begin with the small students who have achieved excellence in academics for 3 years consecutively and brought laurels to our school. The students for this category are Kirandeep Kaur Bindra of class 9th A, Adya Vikram Singh of class 6th B, Shant Kirti of class 7th A, Kavya Manchanda of class 7th B, Ritika Joshi of class 8th B, Maisha Islam of class 8th B, Moksha Saraswati of class 10th A, Palak Garg of class 10th A, Rudu Pratap Singh of class 10th A, Manaswani Tomar of class 10th B, Riddhi Bhatia of class 10th B, and Ria of class 11th A. Next category is Academic Excellence Award for the students who have secured CGPA 10 in the last academic session. These students are Anushri, Kanistika, Shaurya, Anushka, Arushi, Aryan, Ojaswini, Subrat, Ejal, Ishita, Kyan, Vedika, Anushka, Hardik, Ayush, Diya, Khushi, Akshada, Sharagvi, Ayush, Antariksh, Gaurika, Nikita, Kavesh, Nilanjana, Vanshika, Vidit, Dhwani, Tushar, Ananya, Sakshi, Soumya, Sahil, Preeti, Priya and Ipsa. Moving on to the next award, we have Best Speaker English and the students are Shreya, Abhyudaya, Sonakshi, Bianca, Vedant, Riya, Desmita, Rashi, Surkit, Navya, Tanmay, Akshara, Ujjwal, Antariksh, Vani, Nilanjana, Saksham, Apur, Maisha, Soumya and Kagi. Next category is Best Speaker Hindi and the students for this category are Arsi, Aniket, Himanshi, Prashansa, Vyomika, Utsav, Ishita, Akriti, Hariyaksh, Devika, Aditi, Mudit, Nancy, Anushri, Riddhi, Ishita and Aman.
Thank you, Chairman Sir. Now we have our volunteer Rahul to escort Sir back. Someone has rightly said, dance like no one is watching, sing like no one is listening, and live like the heaven is on earth. So the next category is Excellence in Performing Arts Instrumental Music, and for this I request Gambhir ma'am to do the honors. The students in this category are Om, Subrata, Ayush, Manasva, Sayan, Shivam, Samriddhi, Tanmay, Lamha, Jazviya, Kavish, Saura, Vidit, Ritvik, Mayank, Moksha, Adarsh, Rohan and Mukul. The next category is Excellence in Performing Arts Vocal Music. music, and the students are Shaurya, Janvi, Vaibhav, Advait, Ujjwal, Ananya, Mashyad, Rudra, Simrita, Charika, Pratna, Utsav, Adhish, Mayank, Padmashri, and Arushi. Moving forward, our next category is Excellence in Performing Arts Dance, and the students are Harshita, Janvi, Arshini, Devika, Vanya, Akansha, Anvi, Ishanya, Rupal, Bharti, Lamha, Anjali, Inika, Vani, Ana, Samitha, Ritu, Ananyapan, Ananya Purohit, Soumya, Kanika, Kashish, and Shrishti. Next we have Excellence in Art, and the students are Anya, Jane, Rupal, Hansika, Khushi, Aniket, Naina, Simrita, Ayush, Adhish, Ishita, and Yashita. We have Excellence in Dramatics, and the students are Tejas, Agastya, Aditya, Anmol, Raghav, Swati, Ananya, Riddhi, Bhavya Das, and Preeti. Shivam to escort ma'am back. Sports are an integral part of a student's life. A student should study hard to be successful, but you should also play to enjoy the health and vigor of life. So the next category is Excellence in Sport. For this, I would like to call Chandra sir to give away the awards, and the students are students are Ujjwal, Vivek, Akshay, Avinash, Dilraj, Vipul, and Rahul. Excellence in Skating, and the students awarded are Piyush, Krishna, Dushyant, Dhruv, Sai, Lakshay, Parth, Palak, Dhruv, Mahi, Priyanshu, Lucky, Yashika, Akash, Jasmine, Navalata, Jatin, Sahil, Sunil, and Pranjal. For the next category, we have Excellence in Yoga, and the winners are Harshita, Aryan, Kavya, Tanishq, and Arpita. Moving on to the next category, we have Excellence in Taekwondo, and the students awarded are Lovely, Tejas, Ayush, Deepak, Lakshay, and Akash. level sports for the meritorious students who have represented the school in the national level sports and have brought laurels to their school and family. The students are Ronak Singh, Kartikeya Rao, Saurabh Sangwan and Shubham Singh. We feel happy to share with you that Shubham Singh of class 12B has secured 2nd position in the CBSE National and 4th position in the SDFI Nationals and Federation competition. Please give them a huge round of applause. For the next category, we have 100% attendance award for the students who understand the importance of being punctual and regular to school. And here we have Indira, Garvit, Ajal, Archit, Sachin, Anjali, Astha, Tamanna, Diksha, Neel, Sam, Parth, Dhruv, Lokesh, Nandini, Himanshu, Arif, Hardik, Ansh, Hanshika, Simrita, Arpita, Devin, Ashna, Palak, Maneet and Priya. Said that discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. So here we have the next category of the most disciplined student. And here we have Yashas, Prince, Raghavendra, Sam, Sneha, Krishiv, Divyanshi, T. Akshit, Harshit, Akash, Chakshu, Arki, Aniket, Lisa, Gunika, Ashreya, Sanjana, Arushi, Shelly, A.I. Shrikar, Shivani, Sakshi, Anjali Solanki, Anjali, Anuj and Ipsa. Students for their exceptional performance in not only scholastic but also co-scholastic arena. And these students are Garvit, Indira, Mihika, Ruchi, Hardik, Nitya, Sai Soran, Kanishtika, Ojaswini, Subrata, Ajal, Kayan, Akansha, Kirandeep, Twarit, Ayush, Dia, Shragvi, Gitanjali, Jaspia, Ravika, Jasmine, Adya, Vanchika, Vidit, Thwani, Sai Soran, Tushar, Moksha, Ananya, Vidhi, Priya Kalra and S. Padmashri.